Hi friends, it's Dyra. Welcome back to my channel. So a while ago, the hair company Julia Hair sent me over a lace front wig. It is Brazilian straight. It came with adjustable straps, an extra clip, and a wig cap. Like I said, it is Brazilian straight. It is transparent lace. It is 13 by 4 and it does come with clips on the inside to make it easier, and also has a built-in adjustable strap as well. It is pre-plucked a little bit. I think it could use a little bit more, but it looks okay. So like I said, I have had it for a while, and my daughter has been asking me for it. I told her she can have it, but I just never really had the time to play around with it because she's not really a wig wearer. She just wanted to try it out. So I did put 4 big braids in her hair, and now we are gluing it on because she wanted to see what it felt like to actually glue it down. It's so funny, I did take the hair diagram wig class, I'll say over a year ago. So I am good at making the wigs. I actually make it for a few of my clients, but as far as installing wigs, I don't do it all the time. So I'm just playing around with it. Don't look at it and expect it to be perfect because it most likely will not be. So I did put 2 layers in there. I only showed one, and I did let it dry all the way. Just for the sake of making the video shorter, I only showed once. And we didn't really glue down the sides because once I glued down the cap, she was already over it and said she most likely will never glue it down again. So what I want to do is make it a wigless glue for her. So I didn't cut the sides off yet, just so that I can make it customized for her to be able to just throw it on and off without having to worry about gluing it down. So here I'm just taking down the extra lace. So all my clients or people who actually know me and have gotten their hair done by me know that I am the worst at baby hairs. I just, for the life of me, can't grasp it. But I did attempt it for my daughter, and she's laughing at me because I did not do a very good job at it. But I tried, so she just said just leave it alone. She was going to try to figure out how to do it on her own. So like I said, my daughter has been wanting to try out wigs for a while now. She wanted a long one and she also wanted a short one, but the whole time I'm installing this, she's saying she looks so weird. And right here we're cracking up because she didn't want to cut the hair or shape it in any kind of way. She didn't even want to straighten it. And we both said at the same time that she looks like Morticia, so we were cracking up about that. She did not want me to straighten or curl the wig, as she wanted to keep it in its natural state for a little bit. I did not bleach the knots, or nor did I apply makeup to it, so I just went in with a little bit of concealer to camouflage the knots. And since I have applied color in the front just to break up the darkness, and I did record the process, so I will be posting that soon. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please make sure to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.